plant, former soldiers said there's a hidden corridor, a passageway no one knows where it leads. And those who went there could only hear their own voice, but also a faint background sound, the footsteps of someone or something walking toward them. Footsteps no one could explain who they belonged to. In 2019, a documentary crew entered the area without permission. Their cameras were rolling. In the footage, a large humanoid figure is seen in the distance, slowly moving toward them. And suddenly, the entire image goes black. At that moment, no further sounds were recorded, and the group was never found again. In Chernobyl, death is not just a word. Death there is aware, and it may see you before you even realize it. But this is just part of the story. Beneath the surface of the city, underground, something is sleeping. Something that predates humanity and may be waking up right now. If you truly want to travel to Chernobyl, just remember one thing. When you return, make sure it's just yourself and not something else that has followed you.
خطر رادیواکتیوش تا حدودی کمتر شده، اما هنوز امن نیست. این یه ذره امنیتی هم که وجود داره برای اینه که شوروی بعد از انفجار